बैठ जा। तो गूगल मीट पे चला रहा है।
Is it live?
हाँ
So, good morning everyone. This is Kendriya Vidyalaya Gutti, and Kendriya Vidyalaya Gutti welcome all the parents, stakeholders to the admission process of 2021-22. First, we will have the mock lottery demo. Then first lottery demo will be explained, then we'll go for the final lottery. And as the till the last date of the application, the total applications received were 240, and out of which RT applications are 136, SGC applications are 30, and KVS were 2, EWS BPL 117, differently abled 6. Lottery demo. First, the lottery sequence will be
yes madam.
Demo lottery will be explained now, and the RT first we will see the RTE lottery demo, then SGC lottery demo, SC ST OBC differently abled category lottery demo, then other service category lottery demo, and at last, after performing to the satisfaction of the parents, we will go for the lottery of the Vidyalaya this year. That will be the final, and the total process will be carried out by the software and nothing to do with the manual work, and everything will be done by the software itself. First, we will go for the lottery demo. RT lottery I am clicking. Now you can see here the serial dummy lottery application. It is the pre-lottery, and the system software is considering around 200 applications, and you can see the name, and this is the dummy lottery I am explaining. And after this one, we will be clicking conduct lottery demo. When I am clicking conduct lottery demo, whatever be the sequence of this serial number 1, 2, 3 and application submission code and name, everything will be sorted out by the software, and we will be getting the final list of RTE. As this is a dummy application process, and I am going to conduct the lottery for everyone, please observe it carefully. I am clicking here conduct lottery button, and see here you will be getting one pop-up message that this school confirms that demos of the lottery are being shown to the parents to their satisfaction. The school and the parents understand that conduct lottery button will disappear after conducting the lottery once. Please click cancel if you want to abort this operation, else click OK. That means when I am clicking OK in the original lottery process, there will not be, again the conduct lottery button will not be displayed. I think everybody is understanding. So as it is dummy, I am clicking it OK, and this is shown to all the parents. As we are on Facebook Live, everybody is seeing it. So I am clicking on OK. When I click on OK, you can observe the pre-lottery, post-lottery differences. Now you can see here RT serial number 1 is gone, Now serial number 34, 142, 119, 21, 135, 90, 152, and 10 applicants will be selected in this RT list, and you can see the serial numbers are shuffled. That means the lottery is conducted. I hope everyone is getting here. See the lottery number 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10, the admissions will be given, and 11th onwards the system will automatically take the waiting list. I hope everyone understand this. Then we will go for SGC lottery demo. It is also a similar process. See the serial number. Serial number 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is conducting before lottery. That is the sequence conducting before the lottery, and when I click on conduct lottery, the sequence will be shuffled. The system will generate the list, post lottery list, and as it is SGC, according to the guidelines of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan headquarter, 2 seats will be given to the SGC. I am clicking on conduct lottery button, and after conduct lottery button, when the lottery is conducted, again this conduct lottery button will not be displayed. See, again one pop-up information button will be displayed here. The school confirms that demos of the lottery are being shown to the parents to their satisfaction. The school and the parents understand that conduct lottery button will disappear after conducting the lottery once. Please click cancel if you want to abort this operation, else click OK. So I am clicking on OK, and the changes you can observe now. See here, the serial number 1, 2, 3 is now shuffled to serial number 9, 5, 1, 3, 10. This random selection is being done by the software. So the first 2 candidates, the first 2 students will be given admission under SGC. Next, under lottery demo, I am going for SC, ST, OBC differently abled category lottery demo. Similarly, when I am clicking, now you can see this is SC category lottery demo as an example, and this lottery is similar to the other categories also. Now you can observe the serial numbers, name, service category, and number of transfers. The serial number 1, 2, 3 is shown before doing the before clicking on the conduct lottery button. When we click on conduct lottery button, the numbers are shuffled, names are shuffled, the sequence will be different. See here, now I am clicking on conduct lottery button. When I am clicking conduct lottery button, again one pop-up will be displayed here that this school confirms the demos of the lottery are being shown to the parents to their satisfaction. The school and the parents understand that the conduct lottery button will disappear after conducting lottery once. Please click cancel if you want to abort this operation, else click OK. Now I am clicking on OK. Now you can see that this list has been shuffled. Serial number 1, 4, 1, 13, 15, 12, 2, 10, 7, like that. And the names also, you can see that the change names will be displayed here. And these are the lottery positions, number of transfers, service category, and name will be displayed here. And when you click on export as PDF, the PDF of the same will be downloaded. And similarly, when I want to go for the service category, other service category lottery demo, see, this is an example. The system is showing service category 2 lottery demo, and this is similar to the service category 2, 1, 3, 4 and others. Please click cancel. Now you can see here I am clicking on conduct lottery for service category 2 as a demo, and this process is similar to the service category 1, 3, 4 and 5. When I click conduct lottery, again the pop-up information will be displayed here. The school confirms that demos of the lottery are being shown to the parents to their satisfaction. The school and the parents understand that conduct lottery button will disappear after conducting lottery once. Please click cancel if you want to abort this operation, else click OK. Now this will be the common message that is displayed after each and every lottery. So to the satisfaction of the parents, we have shown the list of pre-lottery. I am clicking on OK so that the list will be shuffled, and post-lottery list you can see here. The sorting and random selection will be done by the software. And see, now you can see that the serial number 1 is disappeared, the serial number 20, 3, 19, 4, 18, 9, 12, 17. These are the shuffled numbers after post lottery, and if you want to save this, we can click on export as PDF. The same whatever it is displayed here will be stored as PDF. Everybody is aware of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan admission guidelines. I want to just give you before conducting the lottery, final lottery process. That is, category 1 parents will be given preference first, and the category 1 admissions are, category 1 priority categories are pure central government employees like railways, postal department and other. Next one, coming for the category 2, these are the autonomous bodies under central government like BPCL, HPCL. And next preference category is service category 3, that is the state government sponsoring agency quota, and sponsoring agency quota will be given preference after service category 1, 2 and 3. Out of 40, 5 seats are reserved for the sponsoring agency quota, and the sponsoring agency quota for Kendriya Vidyalaya Gutti is state government, and for the wards of state government employees, 5 seats are allocated for class 1. Next comes category 4, that is state government autonomous bodies according to the Andhra Pradesh state government like AP Transco, AP Genco. Employees will be coming under this service category. Next one, we are going for the final lottery of Kendriya Vidyalaya Gutti class 1 admissions 2021-22. And this will be the final lottery that I am going to perform. Now everybody has understood the process, that how the lottery demo takes place, and now I am going to perform the final lottery, that is the true exact lottery which will be sanctioned seats under RTE, differently abled ST, differently abled OBC non-creamy layer, differently abled general OBC, CL category, and sixth according to sixth service category 1 lottery, 7 service category 2 lottery, and 8th SC lottery, ST lottery, OBC non-creamy layer lottery, service category 3 lottery, service category 4 lottery, service category 5 lottery, and SGC lottery. I am going to perform the RTE lottery for this academic year 2021-22 for Kendriya Vidyalaya Gutti. Everybody can watch it carefully. And RTE, I am clicking on RTE. This is the sequence of fine. This is the first sequence that will be taken out in the lottery process. And I am clicking on RTE lottery. Demo has been shown to the satisfaction of the parents. Now everybody can see here. This lottery operation can be performed between 23/6/2021 9:30 AM to 23/6/2021 10:30 AM. And the number of sections available in the Vidyalaya is 1 and number of RT seats available 10. Now you can see the list. Total RT application received under this category for the Vidyalaya is 136. When I click on conduct RT lottery button, the same message will be displayed. Just to the satisfaction of the parents, I am going to read some of the applicants who have applied under RT category. That is C. Kirtana, A. Siavita Gaud, Hardik Rashid Tambala, Garladinne Lakshmi Devi, Moola Vashini, Banu Satvik K, Akshay Bidarkar, Parthiv Boya, and Utakayala Jayakumar. I am also downloading the pre-lottery list. Now you can see some of the names I have read, and total 10 seats will be given under RTE, and the eligibility criteria according to the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan headquarter. I am clicking conduct lottery button. Everybody please observe it carefully. Once I click on it, and this is the final confirmation from the Vidyalaya side, the school confirms that demos of the lottery have been shown to the parents' satisfaction. The school and the parents understand that the conduct lottery button will disappear after conducting the lottery once. Please click cancel if you want to abort this operation, else okay. So everybody has seen the lottery demo. I think everybody is aware of what will happen after this conduct lottery button. The conduct lottery button will not be visible again, that will be disappear. And I am clicking on OK so that the first list of admitted candidates will be shown here. See, and these are the lottery has been conducted. Lottery was conducted at 23/6/2021 9:50 AM, and see the 10 names. Lottery number 1 to 10: Kalyan Kayala Anjan Kumar, Jainab Misbah, Ramawat Toshant Nayak, Ramawat Kaushik Vardhan Nayak, Ramawat Hemant Nayak, Mood Pujita Bai, Parthiv Boya, Banu Satvik K, Chevuri Hamsini, and Linga Setti, Yashaswini. These are the 10 students. They will be admitted under RTE, and after 10 you can see the waiting list one automatically shown by the software. Prudhitej Ganta, Chaudham, they will be admitted when the first 10 candidates, if they are not willing to join in the Vidyalaya, they will be getting the chance. And these are the first 10 names of RT list. I am downloading the RT lottery result. The first lottery has been performed. Next, the next lottery is differently abled SC candidates. So there is only one candidate who has applied under differently abled SC seat. I am conducting this lottery. Only one candidate, Y Aryan Kumar. I clicked on conduct lottery and the same message will be displayed here. I am clicking on OK. Before clicking OK, we will download this pre-lottery sequence. I am clicking on conduct button. OK. Now this is the list. Only one candidate. He will be given admission. Next lottery will be differently abled ST, and under this category, two students have admitted, applied. I am downloading the pre-lottery list. You can see Mood Lokit and Divya Bai, Islavat Divya Bai. I am clicking on conduct lottery. I am clicking on OK, and so that the final selection will be done. And the selected candidate under this category is Islavat Divya Bai. I am also downloading the lottery result, and second will be the next candidate will be under waiting list 1. Next lottery of the sequence is differently abled differently abled OC non-creamy layer, OBC. And under this category, I am going to apply download pre-lottery list. Pre-lottery list has been downloaded, and two students have applied under this category. I am clicking on conduct lottery. The lottery has been conducted, and the date and time you can see here. And the student under this will be Kammari Dheeraj Virat. I am downloading the download lottery result, and the next one is differently abled general OBC creamy layer lottery. Now under this section, only one candidate has applied, and I am downloading the pre-lottery list. I am going to click on conduct lottery, clicking on OK, so that the list will be shuffled, and this is the list. And I am downloading the download lottery result. Next we are going for service category lottery. This is service category, and the same you can see the total seats 40 and number of seats RT DASAQ reserved 19, RT 10, and you can see the categorization there. And before conducting the lottery, I am going to download the sequence. I am going to read some of the names of the category service category 1, that is Devaki Nandan Madineni, Draksha Maswin, Shivam Parthik, Satyam Kumar, and number of transfers also you can see. I am clicking the download pre-lottery list, and the pre-lottery list is downloaded. I am clicking on conduct lottery. So after that, this conduct lottery button will be disappeared. I am clicking on OK, and the list has been generated. This is the post lottery sequence of service category lottery, service category 1 lottery. That is the names you can see here: Devaki Nandan Madineni, Draksha Maswin, Satyam Kumar, Varshit Nayak R, Shivam Pratik, V Akshay Srikar, Snehal Gulla, Kundagogula Akshit, and others names can be seen. And I am downloading the result of the lottery. And the next service category lottery that we are going to perform is service category 2 lottery. And the list of applicants you can see here. First we are going to download the pre-lottery list. First you can see the eligible service category 2 applications list pre-lottery, and there are total 16 applicants under this category. So we are downloading the pre-lottery list. I am going to click on conduct lottery button. I am clicking on OK, so that the post lottery list will be generated and the conduct lottery button will be disappeared. And you can see the service category list 2 has been generated, and you can see the wait list and selected list candidates. And this the C Dikshit Sai, Hardik Rishi Tambala has been selected according to the software, and others are under waiting list 1, 2, 3. We are going to download the post lottery sequence. Download lottery result. And next lottery that we are going to conduct is SC lottery. And the total sanctioned seats are 40, and 50% reservation will be given to the SC candidates, and 50% in 40 is 15. 15% reservation in 40 seats is 6. Total 6 candidates will be selected from SC community. And you can see the list here. List of the candidates applied under this category. Total 41 applications have been received. And we are going to download the pre-lottery list. I am clicking on the conduct lottery, and after that this conduct lottery button will be disappeared, and the final list of SC category will be generated by the software. Now you can see this important information about SC lottery. You are about to view SC category lottery results. The page will also allow you to process admissions in this category. If you wish to view the lottery results, click OK and close the page after viewing. If you wish to process the admission, please note that under SC category can be given only to fulfill the shortfall in the reserved category seats after admission of all applicants in SAQ and in all categories prior to SC as in sequence of lotteries have been processed. If you haven't processed the admissions of all applicants in the category yet, click cancel and process those admissions first. The meaning of this is total 6 seats will be given to the SC candidates, and if anyone if any shortfall, that is category 1 RTE, category 2, category 3, if these 3 categories fulfill 6 candidates of SC, then this list will not be applicable, and if there is any shortfall of SC candidates, then the students from this list will be taken. That is the meaning of this lottery. I am clicking on OK. Now you can see the download SC lottery list. Post lottery sequence is generated and you can see it. And why it is shown waiting list 1, 2, 3, I have already explained. If there is any shortfall of 6 SC candidates from service categories and the RTE, then the candidates from this list will be taken. Next I am going for ST lottery. Here also 7.5% of reservation is provided by the central government for ST candidates, and out of 7.5 in 40% is 3 seats for one section. Next I am going to download the pre-lottery list. You can see the total number of application received under this is 24. I am going to click on conduct lottery. The school confirms that the same message is displayed here. Once I click on OK, the post lottery sequence of ST candidates will be shown here. Again you can see the same thing. The total sanctioned seats for ST candidates are 3. If there is any shortfall from service category 1, 2 and RTE, then the candidates from this ST list can be taken according to the wait list. That is the meaning of this information. And the list has been generated from waitlist 1. Varshit Nayak, C. Dikshit Sai. You can see they all are under waiting list 1, 2, 3, like that. I am clicking on download ST lottery list. The list has been downloaded. Next one, that is the next lottery of the sequence is OBC non-creamy layer lottery. Here also the number of NCL seats you can see 11 displayed on site. before conducting lottery, we will download the pre-lottery list. Shivam Pratik, Banu Satvik K. You can see the serial number also. I am clicking on download pre-lottery list and I am going for conduct lottery. Once I click on conduct lottery, okay, the conduct lottery lot will be displayed, button will be displayed. And here also the same case, if there is any shortfall from the service categories, the students of this category will be taken according to the wait list. If there is any shortfall from the service categories, then only OBC NCL will be, this list will be used to fulfill the shortfall. I clicked on OK and you can see wait list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's the list. And I'm going to download the post lottery sequence of OBC NCL lottery. Next one, service category 3. And according to service category 3, the total number of applications received are 35. And total seats reserved for this Vidyalaya is 5. I am clicking on, you can see the list. Just I will scroll down. You can have the glimpse of the list. "35 applicants applied under this category." I am going to download the pre-lottery list. Now I am clicking on conduct lottery button. Now you can see the important information for this about category 3. You are about to view the service category 3 lottery results. This page will also allow you to process the admissions in this category. If you wish to simply view the lottery results, click on OK and close the page after viewing it. If you wish to process the admissions, please note that under service category 3 can be given only to fill the vacant seats after admissions of all applicants in SAQ and in all prior categories as sequence of lotteries have been processed. If you haven't processed the admissions of all the applicants in these categories yet, click on cancel and process those admissions first. And for us, the category 3 state government employees, I'm clicking OK. The list has been generated and this is the list. Gulla Tanvita, Sheikh Abdul Mukhit, Erukala Shanyu, all these are service category 3 waiting list. I am clicking on download lottery result for service category 3. Next one, we are going to perform the lottery of service category 4. And under this category we have received 10 applications. You can, I'm scrolling down, you can see the names of the applicants. I'm downloading the pre-lottery list. I'm clicking on conduct lottery so that the lottery will be generated by the software. Yes, the lottery is generated. Again, the process is same. If there is any shortfall in the category 3, then we will go for category 4. And the list has been generated. You can see the list here. I'm downloading the download lottery result. Next we are going for service category 5. And the service category 5 includes anyone who is not doing any category 1 2 who will not come under category 1 2 3 4 will come under category 5, like business, farmer, daily wage earners, business, software employees and other private employees will come under this category. And Vidyalaya has received total of 158 applications of this eligible category 5 applicants. I'm going to show this list to everyone. You can see here. These are the total 150 you can see. And the last one is 8. Last page consists of 8 aspirants. Last, I am going to download the pre-lottery list of category 5. The list has been generated. I am clicking on conduct lottery. And after clicking on conduct lottery, when I click on OK, this conduct lottery will be disabled. It will not be displayed again. See, this is also the information of this message is if there is any shortfall of categories, category 1 2 3 4 and RTE, then category 5 will be given admission. That is the important information about this category 5. I am clicking on OK. The list will be generated. Now you can see the post lottery sequence of category 5. Category 5. Waiting list 1, waiting list 60, 61. You can see all the applicants till 158. Everybody, those who have applied, those who have applied will be seen here. Category 5. And the last one. I am downloading the post lottery sequence of category 5. And then we have come to the end of lottery, that is the last SGC lottery is left in this admission process, admission draft lots process, that is SGC lottery. I am clicking on this. You can see that there are total 30 applicants under this eligible SGC application list, and total seats are only 2, and remaining others will be kept on waiting list by the software. You can see the pre-lottery list. Atisri, Vidya. You can see the total number of applicants who have applied under this category SGC. Total 30. I am clicking on. Before going for the conduct of lottery, we will download the sequence, that is download pre-lottery list. For this academic session. The list has been generated and you can see Atti Sri Vidya, Likita Sri Ediga. These two will be given admission under SGC, and remaining SGC applicants will be kept on waiting list. If the two are not able to join, if they are not willing to join in the Vidyalaya, then waiting list 1 onwards will be given admission. I am going to download the SGC lottery list. For any queries, you can come to the list. Will be displayed in the website by today itself. Total 42 admitted candidates list will be displayed in the Vidyalaya by evening. Thank you everyone.